Hello, hi, my name is Lav Kumar. Yeah, I'm back with one more concept. So today I want to discuss about the what is meant by the generative AI and the agentic AI, and also I want to talk about the what exactly this AI. So everyone is today's the buzzword, and the many companies are working around this. And quickly share my screen, and yes. So nowadays people are talking about the AI, AI. What does it mean? So we are using a lot of tools also. So that's the reason I am back with this video. Let's see what exactly this AI. So these are the things I'm going to cover. Okay, what is artificial intelligence and the generative AI and the challenges with the generative AI and the advantages and the real-time examples. And after that, after overcoming this generative AI, and jump to this agentic AI, why the people are jumped to this agentic AI and with the real-time examples and this key difference between the generative AI and agentic AI. And then let's see the future and the summary takeaways. Let's see what is this artificial intelligence, right? So artificial intelligence is, in the simple words, it's like a mimicking the human brain. That's that's it. What? What does it mean? Means how humans are working. The similar way the technology will works. So the definition wise, you can say AI is the technology. It allows computers and the machines. See, this is the computers and the machines think and learn like a make the decisions and just like a human how you are thinking like a, let's say you want to do a math problem, how you can do is how you're analyzing, how you're thinking, the thinking power you are giving to the machine. So that's the thing, and it is the much more faster and we are getting tired also. Humans as we met tired. So, for example, let's say you can take the Google Maps, how they're working, and the YouTube recommendations. So, let's say if you watch a movie, and after that, similar type of content will be recommended to you. So, and the voice assistants also there, and the chatbots. Not only this, and the robots and the self-driving cars you can take into the consideration. But definition was take it as clear understanding. So artificial intelligence that allows computers and machines to think, learn, make decisions just like humans do. How much the faster and without getting any time. Let's see. What is this generative AI? So generative AI, before going to this AI, let's say this is the AI. So part of this, we have the generative AI, Gen AI, and part of this, we have the agentic AI. See, so first we'll understand this generative AI. So generative AI is like it's a type of artificial intelligence. It is a instead of this, so it is a part of it, and it creates the brand new content such as like a text and the images and the videos and the music code also. And when you are giving its prompt, right? So artificial intelligence that creates a brand new content and such as the text and the images, videos and the music, audios, right? And when you are giving the a question or the prompt to the tool. Super means the text, images, videos, and the music directly will generated by like the how you are generating with the Chat GPT and the Gemini and the Cloud and the Mid Journey and the Dolly and the GitHub Copilot also automatically you are giving a task and it is automatically making the corrections and generating the code. So these are the real-time examples of the generative AI. So, of course, nowadays people are using like anything like the ChatGPT and the Gemini. So, how the generative AI will works? Let's say you are giving a prompt here, prompt to the any AI tool. How exactly it is working is it is already trained on the huge amount of data. It's learn already from the data. A lot of data is already freely available on the internet and the YouTube with the books. It is already trained. Okay. So the trained data, after training, it will learn with the patterns. Okay. What words are usually comes together, what images are comes together, it will store in that format, right? The similarity they are using the technique wise, and it make the prediction also what is the next. It can make the prediction because it is already trained, right? And they can make in the brain, store it in the brain, and it can generate the content also. It assembles and everything, the brand new the content it can generate because of this. So first it will learn from the data and the form of the similarity of the things and the finding the similar patterns, and it makes the prediction what is the next also, and it generates a new content also. It can generate the new content like the if you're asking a prompt through the question relevant to the anything, it will give the answer in the simpler manner to make you understand. And what exactly the advantage of the generative AI is, it is a faster content creators, the fraction of seconds. Okay, it's a supercharged productivity and the endless creativity support is there, and the powerful coding assistant. If you are asking a question, it can easily generate an answer to you, and the accessible to the easy accessible to the everyone. Right? Previously, the scenarios are really was. Let's say if you're asking any Google any question, it is taking the time, and after that, it is giving the different websites. You are go through that and get the answer. That's really hard, but it is a fraction of seconds directly gunshot point to you. So that's the reason it will increase the supercharge of the productivity and the creativity also. It will improve, right? The endless support also it can give and accessible for the everyone. These are the different advantages with the generative AI, but there are some limitations also there. You are just, let's say this is the chat GPT. You are asking a prompt or question. It is giving the answer. That's it. It may be the text or image, or it may be the video, right? So here what happen is you're just asking the question and it's giving the answer, nothing to do with that more than that. Okay. But there is a chance of hallucination. It is like a feeling 100% confident about that question. Sometimes it is giving the completely wrong answers. And it is highly dependent on your prompt. If your prompt is not so good and clear, it may give the wrong answers. You may be unsatisfied also. And there is no real understanding of the common sense of these tools. That is the chance. And the autonomous decision making is there is no chance. Just you are giving the prompt and getting the output. That's it. Okay. And this is the major concern everyone is feeling nowadays. The privacy and copyright concern. You don't know from where it is taking the data, and let's say if I am giving my personal data, where it is going, also I don't know. So that's the reason to overcome those limitations. People find the solution for this. That is the agentic AI. What is this? Agentic AI is it's a more advanced type of AI, a part of it, and it is not just respond or generate the output. It will think independently and make a plan and takes the real action. Uses the tools and works step by step way towards the goal, and all it wants to the it's a very little like a human involvement. See how it is beautifully working. So it is not directly response to the your prompt or question. It is thinks and it learns and it makes the plans step by step and target towards the goal, and it will finds the your results. So generative AI is like a talented employees, but agentic AI is a predictive manager who can automatically works. So agentic AI flow is like it's a thinking and the planning and the decide, then act, the monitor also there, then it will give the output also. Let's see what are the how exactly this agentic AI will works step by step. So first it revises the goal. So let's say I'm asking something like, see here, book me a flight to the Mumbai next Friday under 5,000 rupees and reserve a hotel nearby. See, it is doing your task. So generally, what you're doing is you're open some app and doing your own way. But Agent K can do it, book your own travel and book your hotel also. So let's see how it is working is. It is breaks the subtask. It plans, sets the flight, and it make the comparison of the prices, and it check the hotels also. See, these agents are so intelligent and verify the availability also based on this on the next Friday, and it will book and send the confirmation to you. See how it is beautiful. See here the agent is there. So it will divide its task. So it is one thing is planning for the so searching the flight, right? It is searching for the flight as well as here. This is searching for the hotel also. And on the same day, the day is very important and the time. So then it will take the confirmation for you. If you confirm that, so the cheapest flight is sold out, let's say, decides to pick the next best option without asking you, and it will bring out for their own judgment. So here it is using the lot of tools and APIs. It connects the Google Flights and the book.com, let's say, make my trips or so the Redbus kind of things also there. So Go, Ibibo, Ixigo, there's a lot different apps there. So it will connect with your email ID and the calendar. So it will connect the through APIs with the different apps. Then it will execute and monitor is that any delay is happening, and is it maybe this whatever the flight you are looking for, if that is the sold out and it is looking for the next upcoming one option, right? So it will monitor and it will learn and improve if anything goes wrong. It will learn it and it will give the alerts to you also based on their rating and the budget. So the budget of the your budget and the hotel rating also it follows. And finally it books your hotel. This is really nice, right? So let's see what are the real world applications of the agentic AI where the people are highly use this. So people are using it, the autonomous customer supports, self-driving cars at the like a Tesla cars, you are sitting and sleeping, the car will goes to your destination. This is really amazing, right? AI coding agents. You're just giving the prompt and sleep, just it will build the project for you. Huh? Cursor. So AI research agents also there. Right, it will do the research for you. So let's say in the research top 5 diabetes treatments are published in the 2024, it researches all the papers and read them and extract the findings, and it delivers a structured summary for you, right? And the personal assistant for you, it is working like your personal assistant, personal manager. So how they are creating the completed day task and book the calendars and make you the reminders. So everything it can do. The smart business automation also it can do. So nowadays the advancement is for your, let's say your startup. In the startups, what happens is so everything is they are doing with the manually with the business managers to send the mails to the customers and follow-ups. So those things you can do with this smart business automation 24 by 7, and the revenue will be the high. The advantages is the end-to-end automation is there, right? The less involvement is the smart and the context decision will be making, right? So, and there are the multi-tool uses is there. That's the reason it is connected with the emails and the database and the APIs and the calendars. Because of that, it will make the a huge impact to the make the automation. So, and the massively reduce the human effort of course, and the continuous improvement autonomously is there. That if anything is goes wrong, it is the smarter way to easily get out of it, right? The challenges and risks also there. So the safety is a major thing. So if any agent is goal without any clear boundaries, so it makes the unexpected harmful actions also. The be careful about it while using this. And wrong autonomous decisions also may taken. Sometimes it is deleting kind of websites or personal websites also may done sometimes wrongly if you are giving any wrong prompts, and wrong bookings also may happen because of that. Their revenue will go. As the security and data privacy concerns also there, agentic AI has the access of your emails, files, and every of your personal data also. We don't know where it is goes. The human control is the major challenge because of that. And don't know, ethical and legal questions also arise, right? So, so we don't know who is responsible for this, right? So these are the strong concerns also there, but still people are making the lot of projects and using this agentic AI like anything. And what exactly this key differences between the a small note of this complete conversation of this discussion, the generative AI versus the agentic AI. Let's see. The main purpose of the generative AI is the it creates the contents like a text and images, code, music, but agentic AI, it completes your task. It achieves the goal automatically. And its output is there, already. It will book the bookings, emails, reports it can do, but here the generating images, videos, and the code. That's nice, right? The decision making wise, it follows your prompts, literally the taking decision, very minimal one decision it is taking, but it is highly can take the one decision, evaluate the options from you, and adopts the real time also. And autonomy is the very low here. So it's a very high independently towards the defined goal. And the human involvement is very high here. It's a very low initial goal. While you're setting the initial goal, it is automatically works towards the goal. The task execution is the simple prompt and giving the output. But here multi-step is there. It will plan and execute and it will monitor. Is it giving the correct answer or not? And the entire workflow, then it will reach the goal and gives the output. So the ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Midjourney, these are the different examples. And the coding was up to GPT, the Tesla, Copilots, AI agents, different things are there. And these are simpler, but agents are the complex. The reasoning and the planning is not so easy, right? That's why the complexity is high little bit here. So the future wise, the future of this is I don't know where it is goes, this complete thing. Right? So armies of AI agents, imagine hundreds of specialized agents, the research agent, finalized agent, and a marketing agent working together like a virtual company, 24 by 7, sorry, for your business. See how it is happening. So there is no employee required. You just depend on this AI agents. That's it. Fully automated workflows. The entire business process, hiring, accounting, customer services, product development, everything done by the AI. What you can do is you just need to sell your product. That's it. And human and AI collaboration, the future isn't the replacing the humans, but the AI is doing the heavy lifting, the human focus on the creativity, strategy, and the empathy and the leadership. The true partnership is there, but is feeling like everywhere in the every industry it is working now, and it is very smarter. So why people are adopting this? Because it's a very faster and a smarter, and they reduce the time delivery of your project. That's the reason people are mainly focusing on this. These are the main concerns. That's the reason people are adopting the AI nowadays. They're building a lot of projects also. That's the reason. Thank you guys. So subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries also, you can ask me through the put me in the chat. Thank you.